of social work. And then the profession has an obligation to articulate its basic values, ethical principle, and ethical standard. And then ethics is concerned with what is good for individual and society, and is also described as moral philosophy. Here the term is derived from the Greek word ethos, which can mean custom, habit, character, or disposition. And then ethics cover some dilemmas. For example, how to live a good life, our rights and responsibilities, the language of right or wrong, tadi yang Ekel bilang, moral decision, what is good and bad in society. This is about ethics. So here there is the code of ethics in social work sets forth these values, principles, and standards to guide social workers' conduct. And then the code is relevant to all social workers and social work students. And then because ethics are the core of social work, here there are some social work's core values and principles of them, such as, for example, service. What is service in Indonesian?
Pelayanan.
This is pelayanan. So pelayanan or service in English is closely related with social work. People in social work is called social workers. So here in service, social workers' primary goal is to help people in need and to address social problems. And for example, this is volunteer, you know, this volunteer, volunteer, yeah. Then what is it? This volunteer here is a professional skill with no expectation of significant financial return. So their goal is only to help it in need or to help people. For example, people are people are victim in flood. For example, in Sulbar, Jakarta, Bandung also, yeah. And then, for example, an earthquake, okay, many apa sih namanya bencana, ya. And then the next, social justice. What is social justice?
Keadilan sosial, Miss.
Keadilan sosial. This is right. Keadilan sosial. Bukan Pancasila ya. Keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. Keadilan sosial here as a social workers, first social change and challenge social injustice. So their goal is to change social injustice to social justice. Their social change efforts are focused primarily on issues for poverty, kemiskinan, unemployment, jobless, discrimination, I think you understand about discrimination, and other form of social injustice. Here of social justice. And then the next, dignity and worth of the person. What is dignity?
Ketidakadilan sosial.
Dignity.
Martabat dan nilai
Martabat, yes, right. Martabat and worth of the person. Martabat dan nilai pribadi. Okay. We just point to social worker as people work in social work. Yeah. Social worker respect the inherent dignity and worth of the person. Social workers treat each person in a caring, respectful fashion, mindful of individual differences and cultural and ethnic diversity. So social workers and relating dignity and worth of the person seek to enhance clients' capacity and opportunity to change and to get a goal on their own needs. And then importance of human relationship. Pentingnya hubungan manusia. Hubungan antar manusia, ya. Importance of human relationship. Social. Human as a, what is it? People in social environment. Yeah. So social workers understand that relationship between people are an important vehicle for change. Social workers here engage the people as a partner in the helping process. For example, social workers for like a volunteer as partner in helping process. For example, with volunteer and victim of flood and the others. And then social workers seek to strengthen relationship between people in an effort to promote, restore, maintain, and enhance the well-being of individuals, families, social group, communities, organization, society, community, and the others. Yeah. Next is integrity. Integrity in Indonesian in integritas. Yeah. Nah, if we talk about social workers here are aware or realize of the profession mission, values, ethical principle, and ethical standard, and practice in a manner consistent with them. So, in their work, social workers realize about their, I think it's about job desk. As a social worker or as a volunteer, they must help the people, or social worker in government they have to, or they must service the community people. Many people need. Okay, and then competence. Social workers, for example, in government, maybe, or as a volunteer, and about in what is it? Government in city or district, they have to increase their professional knowledge and skill, always to improve their skill by studying, for example, informal or in non-formal. So social workers practice within the areas of competence, develop and enhance their professional expertise. Okay, until here. Okay, so I think it's related about social work with your major social welfare. So after that, I want to ask you, what should you do as a social worker when found a problem in social work, and how the way it? What should you do as a social worker when found a problem in social work? I think when you service the customer, maybe, or you service people in need, in government maybe, or as a volunteer, and the other. How the way it. Boleh? Karena baru 3 orang yang tercatat di saya yang aktif. Saya ingin tambah banyak. Bagaimana sih? Apa yang kalian lakukan ketika kalian menemukan sebuah problem dalam pekerjaan sosial? Dilihat dari pekerja sosial. Dan bagaimana caranya. Okay. In English, please.
Maybe first I want to do.
Nanti please show your
Yes.
hand. Sebentar ya.
Ini Miss, maybe first I want to do assessment. It's like interview to apa ya, Miss?
To people.
To people who need social help kayak gitu.
Okay. For example, where? Gimana contohnya?
Di like in
Okay, then for example, maybe in government, yes, as a social work or pekerja sosial, volunteer, relawan juga pekerja sosial, right? Orang di Dukcapil, people in working in this Dukcapil, this is social work, right? Orang yang melayani itu kan pekerja sosial. Okay, thank you, Danti. Next. Tenang, kita masih punya waktu banyak. Jadi saya ingin banyak yang memberikan opini. Selain Danti. Okay, who else?
I miss I.
Okay,
maybe I will help them by knowing what is the problem gitu. Example in non-government kayak in hospital on WHO in apa ya yang di daerah gitu guys.
Oh ya, in area. Okay.
Maybe it's just my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Dava. Yes, good. Okay, next. Who else? Halo Gaby, Elza, Naila, Amalia, Taufik, Rifki. Ya, saya jadi absen satu-satunya. Nur Laila, Gina, Yogi, Elsa, Raisya, Audi, Ayuni, Adiati, Anhar, dan Boyke. Di-on-kan aja kameranya. Nanti ketika saya ngambil dokumen untuk foto, nggak ada orangnya. Setuju nggak? Zoom di-on-kan sama dengan dihadirkan.
Setuju Miss.
Jangan sampai loh, saya pernah lihat video di Instagram kalau nggak salah. Ada satu dosen yang dia ngomong hampir 1 jam, mahasiswanya di-off-kan kameranya dan dia kayak ngomong sendiri. Nggak tahu kalian udah pernah lihat tuh? Saya pernah lihat. Oh my God, I can feel if I am him gitu ya kan, dia pernah laki-laki dan dia udah agak berumur gitu ya. Okay. Yes, next. Who else? Dava and Danti.
Mem Emis.
Nyebut mem juga nggak apa-apa. Oke, Emanuela.
In my opinion is people who need.
Yes.
And listen to the problems. After that we can give advice. Apa sih? Saran?
Advice.
Yeah, advice. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, yes, good. Give what is it? Dante says interview to knowing the problem to people, and then Dava said, I think it's hampir sama ya tadi dengan Dante.
Yes,
To
okay.
knowing their problem, and then Emmanuel give advice about that problem to that person gitu. Okay, maybe next the others. I think many
I
are
will answer, Miss.
Okay, Audi, hi.
Hi.
Audi, where do you come from? Kok saya jadi nanya duluan? Karena saya perasaan belum nanya Audi tadi.
Ya, Miss, saya baru on cam saya.
Oh, okay, Audi.
I will answer. I will be a partner for my clients, be friends with stories and so on.
Okay. You be the people as a client ya, client as a
Yes.
partner. Okay. Yes. I see.
Sharing gitu.
Next, who else? Laki-lakinya baru dapat aja nih.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Salam, hai Yayang.
Tadi teh pertanyaannya apa, Mas?
What should you do as
Ya.
a social worker when find a problem in social work, and how the way it?
Bismillah. Tapi sebelumnya tolong bimbing saya, Miss ya.
Okay,
Yeah.
of course.
Bismillah. So, first of all, actually there are several reasons, or there are several manners. How do I maintain or how do I treat them as social workers? So it's gonna be difficult for me. For example, like, okay, I'm as a social workers, and how should I do, right? And I said that it's like, okay, I'll guide them as long as I can.
Yes.
But if I'm unable to treat them as a social workers, otherwise there will be a mistake in my I'm as a professor, I'm as a social workers, right? That yeah, I mean, like I have to make them feel happy and make them feel better. So yeah, for example, like, okay guys, so we have to sing aloud about, okay, it's like, what would you like to sing, and something like that, like make them feel happy and be grateful. Don't forget about it. Yeah, I mean, it's like, yeah, that's about. Yeah, alhamdulillah udah, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much, Yayang. Yeah, for example, Yayang's opinion that as a social worker will guide the people, and then will entertain, right, the people to make better, make happier. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Yayang. Next. Who else?
Miss. I.
Oke, Oke, jadi oke, Oke, Taufik. Taufik lagi jalan. Atau di?
Enggak.
Oh, oke.
I will approach my clients, that way I can solve what is the problem.
You help the client to solve
I will approach my client, Miss. Jadi saya akan melakukan pendekatan dulu kepada klien saya, Miss.
Approach. Sorry. Kok saya dengar ya.
Yeah.
Okay. Approach the client to solve their problem.
Yes.
Okay. What is approach? For example,
What? Miss,
what
I
what
don't
is
hear. Wih, keren.
what is approach? You say you will approach the client. Is this right? What is like approach?
Yes.
For example,
Approach. For example. Oh,
pendekatannya seperti apa?
I will talking about anything with my client.
Okay.
Jadi,
So
I can touch my heart, my client heart. Like this.
Okay. Yes. Thank you, Taufik too.
Yeah,
my
you're
God.
welcome. You're welcome.
Yes. Thanks. Next. I'm still waiting for your. What is it? For your thinking, I think. Next.
Miss,
Yogi. Okay, Yogi.
I think a social worker should collect data about social problem by individuals, groups, and society, and so present alternative.
Okay. Yes. Thank you, Yogi.
Yes.
Next. Who else? Ini baru berapa ya tadi? Baru 6 orang dari 23. 24 nambah satu lagi ya. How? The others.
Miss,
Yes.
first I will analyze the cause, what the problem is, and find a solution.
Find
A solution.
For example, what's problem? And then, what is solution for that problem? As social, I think many problem in social work. Yeah. So, what is profession as a social work? Mention it, please. What is profession as a social work? In social work, sorry. Profesi apa aja yang ada di pekerjaan sosial? Ya? For example, it's a question for all ya, not only for Amalia.
Social workers for disabilities, Miss.
Social worker for disabilities. Okay, I think it's apa sih namanya? Apa ya namanya, lupa saya. Ada, iya ada. Next, what else? Banyak kan maksudnya prospect your major apa sih? Social worker. Kan kayak oh nanti prospek pekerjaan saya ke sini gitu kan? Pasti kan? Kan kalian tujuan the goal you choose this major kan pasti setiap orang memiliki, misalnya ada yang oh saya jurusan pendidikan, oh, berarti prospek saya adalah ke ngajar. Saya jurusan ini, oh berarti apa sih prospek saya kalau saya ngambil misalnya ilmu apa sih ya? Ilmu apa namanya, komunikasi misalnya, oh saya prospeknya ke sini. So, about your major, jadi prospeknya apa coba? Soalnya ada aja saya asal kuliah ada ya gitu asli. Saya jadi have not find yet about the prospect of job gitu. Ada loh gitu yang seperti itu, makanya sebenarnya saya suka nanya-nanya, what is your dreams? What is your dreams? Walaupun nanti bekerja ya nggak mesti sesuai, ada juga kan yang banting setir. Ada yang orang pendidikan tapi kerjanya di bank, ada banyak sekali. Ada orang kesehatan yang kerjanya ternyata di di bank, di dinas sosial atau apa, kan banyak sekali ya. So, what is your prospect?
Counselor, Miss.
Counselor, this is right. I think I like about counselor, yeah.
Or to be a lecturer social welfare.
Ya, bagus. Karena semester kemarinnya 2019 ya, berarti angkat tahun 2019, saya juga ngajar kesejahteraan sosial. Ketika saya nanya, what is your dream? Ya, konselor, ada Miss. Jadi ada satu lembaga atau yayasan yang memang pekerja, dia menangani maksudnya kegiatan-kegiatan sosial kayak gitu. Terus dia sebagai konsultan gitu. Ada yang seperti itu. Kalau saya di dunia pendidikan, jadi mungkin beda bidang, jadi beda wawasan juga ya. Jadi siapa tahu nanti bilang konselor, oh iya ya nanti saya mau jadi konselor lah gitu. Ada mungkin ya seperti itu ya. Oke, next. Who else? What else? Coba apa lagi?
Miss mau izin jawab.
Boleh, ayo nih.
Kalau child protection bisa nggak?
Bisa. Child protection itu kan nanti di KPAI. Yang nanti di KPAI kan bisa ya. Komisi Perlindungan Anak Indonesia. Di KPAI bisa. Iya. Termasuk juga. Kamu ingin bekerja di sama Kak Seto juga bisa itu ya. Kayaknya kan pekerja sosial itu kan kayak melindungi, protect. Bisa kan seperti itu. Yang saya tangkap loh ya. Seperti itu. Maybe next the others.
Maybe I want to be social minister.
Social?
Minister.
Oh ya, good. Yeah. Social minister. Kementerian Sosial, Dinas Sosial ya. Karena ada. I have a friends, even my sister. This is from English department or English major, but she until here work in Dinas Sosial, Dinsos. Padahal dia dari sastra Inggris, tapi kerjanya di Dinas Sosial. Kayak for example like health kayak penyaluran bantuan kayak gitu ya. Itu bisa juga. Okay. What? So we are back to the question. What should you do as a social worker when found a problem in social work, and how do we it? This is related to social work. Boleh, siapa lagi yang mau nyoba? Tadi baru Eikal jadi. Danti, Dava, Emanuela, Audi, Yayang, Yogi, and Amalia. Maybe next. Rifki, do you wanna try?
Bentar, Miss. Lagi ini dulu.
Okay. Gina, maybe?
Help with social problems and provide service. Udah segitu, Miss.
So, as a social worker, you will provide and
Service.
Service and provide the people have a problem. Okay. Gina, next. Boyke maybe? Boyke nggak praktek? Oh enggak. Oke, Boyke. Mau nyoba Boyke?
Lagi nyusun kata-katanya dulu.
Oke. Pasan tadi saya belum nanya Boyke, where do you from?
I'm from Garut.
Oh, Garut. Oke, ya wajahnya wajah-wajah Sunda ya. Next, who else? Yogi udah tadi ya, Yog. And then who else? Taufik udah tadi. Denti juga. Hairul maybe? Or Naila? Okay, because I think social work is very wide ya, sangat luas cakupannya kan. Because social is not about science, because social something that discuss about, I think, something in the world, in our society, and include in social work. Oke. Kalau tidak ada lagi, coba kita lihat ke sini. Okay. Here there are many exercise, but not at all we answer. But here in fifth exercise, here there are 7 words as a noun, verb. Value, poverty, expertise, guide, apply, inherent, volunteer. And then from this word, please make sentences. Your own using the words below, and then it's relate to social work. For example, number 1, value. Value social work, bla 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 bla. Coba bikin 1 kalimat. Terserah siapa saja. Misalnya, Miss, I will try to make a sentence by word value. Oh, value, poverty, expertise, guide, apply, and inherent. Just 1 word only. Kalau misalnya Hairul sudah poverty, oh berarti yang lain jangan poverty. Harus expertise, harus guide, atau the other words. Who? Saya close ya. Maksudnya saya stop share screen-nya ya. Ininya boleh ditulis aja dan mau yang mana. Nah, ada the value, guide, inherent, property, what else? Expertise, diversity, poverty. So, Anything else? Boleh, Eiko? Poverty. Okay, social workers help the problem about poverty. What is poverty? Kemiskinan, bukan properti ya, jadi kadang suka ke ini sama properti. Poverty, kemiskinan. Social worker, pekerja sosial, membantu apa tadi? Help with problem about poverty. Oke, thank you Eiko. Berarti yang lain jangan ada yang poverty, karena poverty sudah sama Eiko. Next. Eiko, choose one please to make a sentence. Oh gitu. Kita main lempar-lemparan gitu. Oh mungkin Immanuela. Oke, Immanuela.
Miss masih susun kata.
Okay, what word will you just
Yang value. Yeah, value. Yes.
Okay.
Value.
Oke, value berarti nggak yang lain ya? Udah sama Immanuela ya. Oke, next. Who else? Immanuela, please choose one.
Ya.
Nanti balik lagi ke Immanuela. Choose one, please, Immanuela.
Bagaimana, Miss?
Choose one, please, to make a sentence.
Yayang.
Yayang. Okay, Yayang. Have you already?
Ya, insyaallah ready.
Okay, what word?
Ya. Guide aja, Miss.
Guide. Okay. Yes, please.
Ya, tapi tolong koreksi Yayang, Miss ya.
Nah, tadi nggak ada yang saya koreksi, berarti sudah bagus ya.
Oh, enggak.
Oke, yang please.
Ya. I'm as a social worker try to guide them with every single case. Udah, Miss.
Oh, udah. Oke. Saya nggak lihat titiknya saya. I am a social worker. What is it? Guide. Sorry.
Iya.
Guide.
Okay. A social worker trying to guide. Trying to guide the special of needs. Apa sih kalau ini Mas? Miss. Lansia kebutuhan khusus itu apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Lansia?
Ya, yang udah lansia.
Betul. Old people sih bisa old people.
Oh, old people ya. Ya. Ya.
Okay.
The social worker trying to guide the elderly people who need their protection or who needs their affection. Ya, alhamdulillah.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Yayang. Please choose one. Berarti yang sudah dipakai itu tadi poverty, guide, and value. How about you, Immanuela? Have you already?
Dikit lagi, Ma'am.
Oh, okay. Yayang, choose one, please.
Kalau sama Miss boleh, Miss?
Sama Yayang aja deh. Saya dari tadi udah nunjuk-nunjuk orang.
Maaf ini,
Bebas.
udah nggak enak beda ya.
Nggak apa-apa. Tadi aja Immanuela enak aja nunjuk. Immanuela. Nggak apa-apa, ini kan I think it's a game ya. Masa biar nggak bosan aja. Nanti kalau saya lagi yang nunjuk, lebih deg-degan loh ditunjuk sama saya daripada sama kamu.
Ya.
Bagi ditembak, itu lebih deg-degan. Boleh yang? Mau perempuan mau laki-laki bebas?
Ya udah tuh ini aja.
Siapa tadi teh?
Saha atuh.
Ini aja, Ibu. Amal. Maaf. Mal.
Amalia.
Iya, Amalia.
Oh, Amalia. Oke, Amalia. Please choose word.
Expertise, Miss.
Okay, what is expertise in Indonesian?
Keahlian.
Okay, good. Have you already?
Yes.
Okay.
The expertise of social workers is to helping other people.
Okay, the expertise
Social workers
of social, ada kata of-nya ya.
Yeah.
The expertise of social workers
is to helping other people.
is to help other people. Okay, good, Amalia. Next, who else? Laki-laki deh, Mal. Biar selang-seling.
Boyke udah belum sih?
Boyke, boleh Boyke. Where is Boyke? Oke, Boyke. Berarti tadi yang sudah dipilih adalah property, guide, value, and then expertise. Okay. Except those word. Okay. Okay, Boyke. What word?
Bentar, Miss. Tadi katanya sama kayak Amal.
Wah, kalian sehati ya. Yang lain deh. Tadi ada apa lagi? Banyak ya. Inherent. Terus apa lagi? Kok saya jadi lupa sendiri. Oke, Immanuele sebentar. Boleh Boy ke ini dulu. Immanuele dulu. Yes, please.
Social workers have human values. Values. For example, helping people with disability.
Okay. Yes. Good. Okay, back to Boyke. How, Boyke? Apa, Boy? Tadi apa aja? Saya kok jadi lupa sendiri.
Boleh, Miss?
Yang belum itu apply and inherent and volunteer.
Volunteer.
Ya? Apply and okay. Siapa tadi? Saya. Siapa tadi? Sorry. Boyke?
Miss?
Oh, Hairul. Okay. Sebentar ya, Boyke. Hairul, what else?
I want to be volunteer to help with injustice in society.
Volunteer.
Yeah.
Oh, repeat please. The sentence.
Yeah. Maybe I want to volunteer to help with something injustice in society.
Okay, I want to be ya, kurang
Yeah.
be. I want to be volunteer. Okay, Hairul. How about you, Boyke? Boyke lagi jadi balik ke. Jadi yang sisa adalah inherent and sama apa sih saya lupa deh. Apply ya, inherent and apply. Boleh. Boyke, where is Boyke? Jadi close deh si Boyke-nya. Boleh Hairul choose one please. Muncul lagi. Oke, Hairul choose one please. Perempuan deh Hairul.
I don't see any. Maybe Naila.
Naila, yes. Naila. Halo Naila. Ya. Halo Naila.
Bentar, Miss. Tadi Naila mau volunteer tapi udah keburu.
Oh, oke. Yang tersisa hanya apa tadi? Apply and inherent. Maybe the others yang sudah siap boleh apply or inherent.
Saya Miss.
Ki. Oke, Rivi apa Ki?
Apply.
Apply, yes.
Social workers must apply ethics. Social workers. Social work.
Okay, yes. Okay. One more ya. What is it? Inherent. So, who? Boleh siapa saja deh. Who are pamungkas to make a sentence with word apa tadi? Inherent. What is inherent in Indonesian language?
Sesuatu yang sudah melekat.
Sesuatu yang sudah melekat. Tapi melekatnya itu bukan maksudnya like lem glue ya kayak gitu ya, melekatnya bukan ya. Jadi kayak melekat apa ya? Bisa diartikan dengan sesuatu yang sudah terikat juga bisa sih sebenarnya. Terikat. Karena kan dalam bahasa Inggris itu satu kata itu tidak pakem ya. Tidak. Contohnya close. Close itu kan artinya menutup. Enggak juga, bisa juga artinya dekat. Jadi tergantung konteks kalimatnya. Terus apalagi kayak di bahasa Indonesia aja racun. Bisa. Kata bisa itu kan bisa artinya racun, bisa sebagai skill atau kemampuan. Sama seperti itu. Maksudnya karena bahasa itu adalah ilmu, bukan ilmu pasti. Jadi bisa diartikan sesuai dengan konteks kalimatnya. Inherent. Want to try? Atau Rifki boleh tunjuk satu orang deh, dan yang ditunjuk Rifki harus. Boleh?
Raisya mungkin, Bu.
Raisya.
Maaf, Raisya.
Maaf Raisa. Banyak pada baiknya di sini mah udah ditunjuk pada minta maaf gitu.
Let's minute Miss, bentar.
Oke. Raisa. Habis ini ada mata kuliah lagi kalian?
Ada Jumatan, Miss.
Oh, habis Jumatan. Masih full ya? Maksudnya masih 1 minggu full kuliah terus?
Masih, Miss. 24 SKS soalnya.
Oh, wow. Ya, banyak ya.
Yes, 1 week full.
every day you must study.
Yes,
in
Miss.
Zoom. Ya, in Zoom.
Very pusing.
Oh, very pusing. Kamu sudah divaksin belum, Taufik? Have you got
Belum,
vaksin?
Miss.
Hah?
Aku nggak berani.
Kenapa? Why?
Takut positif.
Vaksin mah beda.
Positif sih.
Vaksin mah beda. Oh ya, bukan swab. Sorry.
Vaksin.
Oh, belum, Miss, belum.
Oh, belum. Ada yang sudah di sini? Ada yang daerah Karawang? Tadi siapa sih? Nggak ada ya, Bekasi ya. Soalnya kemarin, Raisa Karawang. Oh, Karawang. Soalnya kemarin ada siapa ya? Lupa saya. Ada mahasiswa yang ketika Zoom tuh, Miss saya lagi antri vaksin. Hah? Udah divaksin? Di Karawang. Tadi kamu di mana? Di Karawang. Oh, berarti Raisa belum. Oke, sih. Barangkali di sini sudah. Papua bagaimana Emanuela? Di Papua?
Belum, Miss, sejauh ini kayaknya.
Tapi sekitar kamu udah ada di sekitar rumah tetangga gitu?
Di Bandung, Miss.
Oh, kamu tinggal di Bandung?
Iya, Miss.
Oh, ngekos atau memang udah stay di Bandung?
Ngekos, Miss.
Oke. Oh, jadi dari awal kuliah kamu memang stay di Bandung?
Iya, Miss.
Oh, tapi kenapa? Biar gampang gitu?
Memang
atau terlockdown?
Sudah lama di sini juga, Miss.
Oh, gitu dari kapan? Since when?
Gimana, Miss?
Sejak kapan?
Dari 2017 mulai masuk SMA.
Oh, I see. Saya pikir kamu memang stay di Bandung. Oh, your family stay Bandung also?
No, Miss.
You,
Jadi sendiri.
oh, ngekos or with the other family.
Ngekos, Miss, di sini.
Memang sengaja gitu pengen merantau. Oh, I
Iya.
see. Di mana SMA-nya Immanuela?
Ya, sama aja sih, Miss.
Di SMA-nya di mana? Di Bandung?
Di SMA Kristen BPPK.
Oh, BPK Penabur.
Ya.
Yang di mana? Pascal, bukan?
Yang dekat Pascal.
Oke, I see. Oh, saya pikir dia memang sekarang lagi di Papua gitu. Oh, ternyata memang udah jadi orang Bandung ya dari tahun 2017. Karena benar-benar pas awal-awal corona itu ada salah satu mahasiswa saya orang Papua juga. Dia terlockdown, nggak bisa pulang ke Papua gitu. Karena bandaranya, saya pikir kamu seperti itu. Okay, yuk Raisa, how? Okay, ready?
Ready.
Okay.
As a social worker, I have an inherent sense of how a cause to self-existing problems.
Okay, yes, good. Jadi inherent itu memang kalau dalam kamus artinya yang melekat ya. Tapi bisa kita artikan juga sesuatu hal yang terikat. Terikat itu misalnya in a relationship, bisa suatu hal yang berhubungan yang terikat itu kan close ya. Close relationship itu bisa ya. Jadi bukan melekat. Oh, berarti melekat kayak glue, kayak lem yang melekat gitu atau perangko yang bukan gitu maksudnya ya. Karena yang tadi saya sudah jelaskan kalau dalam bahasa Inggris khususnya especially ya because I'm teaching English gitu. Dalam bahasa Inggris itu satu kata itu dia bisa memiliki banyak arti. Tergantung konteksnya gitu. Makanya kenapa when we translate English text or English sentence kita nggak bisa mengartikan per kata word by word, nggak bisa. Karena kalau word by word itu konteksnya bisa berbeda. Gitu. Jadi harus satu kalimat penuh. Baru I understand about the meaning of this sentence. Gitu. Jadi nggak bisa per kata. Oke, sudah jam 10 lebih. Ternyata ya kita tidak terasa. Dan for next week because you will do a mid test in matkul. Jadi kita asinkron, tetap ada perkuliahan lab tapi asinkron dan saya nanti upload materi yang pasti di LMS. Silahkan kalian download dan pelajari. Gitu. Kalau misalnya memang misalnya pas jam segini kalian tidak ada jadwal mid test, boleh kita diskusi di grup atau di forum diskusi LMS. Tapi kalau ternyata memang Miss jam segini saya ada diskusi, jadi ada mid test gitu. Oh berarti ya udah asinkron aja, kalian pelajari aja, nanti kita bahas pas Zoom. Insya Allah after mid test kita Zoom lagi. Nah untuk mid testnya kapan untuk lab Inggris? Belum ada kabar pastinya kapan, karena kita start juga kan baru 3 pertemuan ya. Karena kita start 3 minggu mundur lah dari 3 minggu 3 minggu perkuliahan kita baru memulai gitu. Karena kalau untuk lab sendiri memang menunggu mahasiswa daftar untuk ikut lab gitu. Walaupun gini, misalnya kok ada teman saya nggak ikut lab semester ini, ya berarti next semester mereka harus ikut lab juga. Karena memang harus kayak ikut lab TOEFL, kayak ikut lab bahasa Inggris, dan lab yang lainnya. Okay, I think enough. Maybe any questions? Or enough?
Enough.
Okay, yang laki-laki juga mau persiapan untuk Jumatan ya. Okay, I think enough because time is up. Thank you for joining today and then your attention. Good luck for your mid test and then have a great day. Wassalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.